Hey, Ken from Metal Manic here. You guys have wanted this adapter to fit your 3/8 drill to be able to polish your tips. And I'm going to show you how we use these in the shop here to polish our tips before to a mirror flawless finish before we send them out to you. So first thing we do is you chunk this up in your 3/8 drill. It's turned down here, and you got a hex here, so you got something to hold on to get it back out. So let's chuck that up, and then what we have here is our Rail Blaster small tip. That's the way it comes off the machine. It's not that bad at all, but we have to make sure these things are flawless. So what we do is first we have these blocks of like hard foam. They're flexible, and that's very important. I'll get to that in a minute. And then I take a piece of 1000 grit self-stick and put it on here. Okay. Now run this puppy into your drill. I like to go to low speed. And what we're going to do is we're going to rock it back and forth, because you do not want to put your flat spot there. That's the problem with polishing. If you don't keep your radius there, when you're done, you don't have the same tip. So what I do is I'm going to roll this back and forth. I don't want to dwell on that flat spot. Now we've got something that looks like that. Then we're going to turn our 3-stage buffers on, and we'll put that on there, and we'll turn it really slow while it's buffing. And the same thing, we're going to rock back and forth. We do not want to flatten that radius. Okay. Then we'll go over here, do the same thing. It goes coarse, medium, fine. All right. Then we'll put the final little sucker on. Now, you should have a perfectly polished, shiny AF tip. And then to make sure, we come over here, and I'm going to look underneath the magnifying glass just to make sure every little thing's out. Okay, I still see some scratches. I kind of went through this kind of quick, so we'll finish that out a little bit. Put it back on there, and that should be fine. So anyways, that's how you use this adapter. See ya.